Hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. My name is Jason Jordan. If you have not been here before, please subscribe. I appreciate it. If you have, then my channel is all about helping people find ways to make money online. There's a lot of different options in here. I also do instructional videos on driving traffic, got some traffic programs. I've got some training videos on ad placement, how to create ads, and things like that. It's all to help you succeed. So today, the video that I wanted to do was on my love-hate relationship with TikTok. So I was just going to show you guys my phone screen here. I've got it all queued up, and I want to show the importance of making sure you've got a backup plan for your ads and why repurposing and having other accounts is so important. Kind of like you're using Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. I use Twitter. I use just about anything you can think of to place an ad out there, and this is why. So right now, actually, I just had to go get this account back again. So here is just mirroring my phone. And I wanted to show right on my device here. So I've had this account for a little while, and this is one of the sources that I promote my business through. And you can see now these are not showing blocked. But as you can see, right here. So they have taken my link away. They also won't let me change my username because I had a different username than that. I can't post anything because I've been basically, after being banned yesterday, then I got my account back this morning. Then I was banned again for whatever reason. Couldn't even post anything. They just decided to ban it again. So I appealed it again, got my account back again. I also went and appealed all of the videos that they had marked as being violations, and the majority of those I got back. But this is why you want to make sure you've always got something else up your sleeve, whether it be, like I said, Facebook, Instagram, all those things. And along with that, with TikTok, you want to have multiple accounts. So a lot of these accounts here, I'm not super active on because I'm just waiting for the time that I need to be, because I know that this account is probably going to be a loss at some point here. And no real reason that I can find. None of the videos stand out. None of them say anything that are ridiculous. And for instance, if you'll see right here, I did a test. So I posted this just to drive traffic to my YouTube channel. Okay, right here. I posted that, and then I was going to go ahead and post it again right here. Just again, trying to get my name out there, drive traffic over to my channel. So they blocked this video saying it was a scam. I'm not sure why YouTube's a scam, but apparently that's what they said. So I immediately posted it again right after it, and now that one's fine, hasn't been touched. Okay. Now this one right here, they had blocked. They gave it back, but this one they say they won't give it back because somehow this is the exact same video as these two, but somehow in their minds there's something different about this one, which makes zero sense. All the same hashtags, the exact same video. I just reposted it again just to see what they would do. You can come down here, you can see a few more. So this one says nothing different than in any of these. It's pretty well the same kind of stuff. No promises or guarantees of anything. Same thing here. And these are all trying to help people succeed in getting an online business. But apparently TikTok does not like you to get people to succeed any other place than on TikTok. So you can come down here and you can see, and a lot of these, so they really cut my views a couple weeks ago. My views went way down because they weren't pushing my content. You can see here, some of them do okay. This one did really good. But then, of course, you know, they'll come in and they'll just take this account again shortly, I'm sure. And I'll have to start over again. This would be about probably the 12th account that I've had banned if they completely ban this one. But that's okay. So we've always got a backup plan. We always use other sources to make sure that we can continue promoting our business. Okay. And that's why I wanted to do this. So if you like this kind of thing, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going to show you here. I have all these other accounts made and sitting here and ready. I do have some videos loaded in some of these. I've got a couple of videos out on the accounts, but a couple of these are just sitting there with videos loaded in drafts and kind of waiting. The bad thing is once they do this, what they've done, I can't even get these drafts out of there. And I mean, it is what it is. I guess I'll lose them if they ban this account. But that is why you want to use and repurpose on Facebook Reels. Okay. So I do a lot of repurposing on Facebook Reels. And you can get there only on mobile. Sorry to wait here. But here's a bunch of repurposed content that I use on Reels. Now, Facebook is pretty friendly. I haven't had any problems with Facebook Reels at all. Gives pretty good views. And that is all I need. I need views. I need eyes on my ads. Okay. And so that's working pretty good. I also use Instagram. So right here, if I go into Instagram, now you'll see I've got 4 accounts running on Instagram. And again, these do okay. Some have more followers than others, but I get pretty decent views on most of the content. Instagram's a little tougher. I feel it's a little bit tougher for me to get views on, but it's okay. I get views there. I have content going out. So you also use this site here, which is alternate to TikTok, called Clapper. So I do use that as well. And that's where I repurpose some of my content also. And I get views on these as well. I'm not worried about likes. I'm not worried about followers. I'm just worried about views. If I get people to see my ad, then that just ramps up my business. Okay. And in here, of course, let me get rid of that. So Pinterest, I've got a lot of content out on Pinterest. Again, I get pretty decent views. My analytics are not too bad for Pinterest. Again, not a ton of followers, but that's okay. I'm only worried about the impressions. Okay, that's all I'm worried about is the views. So that's fine. So, you know, whenever you are thinking about your business and you have to have ads out, you have to have eyes on your offer. Always keep in mind that at any time, this right here can just go away. I've now lost this account 3 times since yesterday. It's been reinstated. Now I can't do anything with it. I have been still posting on my other backup account. I don't have as many followers on that account. That's fine. I'm not really about getting all the followers, but as long as I'm getting views and I've got a link in there, then that is what I need. Now I've got my link up still here, and this is the same link that I had up on the other one. So I've still got a link up inside here. course, this one gets terrible views now, which I'm not sure why they did that. When I started this account, I got really good views. Something happened. I'm not sure why, but I do have one on here that's got almost 200,000 views, which is great. And that's what I want. I want the views. Okay. So guys, just make sure whenever you're out there and you're marketing that you are repurposing, that you've got these other accounts set up, and that you're saving your content. Now, whenever I save my content, I use this app right here. This app is called TickSave. So what I'll do is, as soon as I can after I post, I'll go in and I will hit this, let's see if you can see this plus button right here, and it'll take me straight to whatever account that I have open with TikTok, because that's only for TikTok. But I can just go and I can click there. I can copy that link, and I'll go straight back to TickSave, and it will come up. Now, it normally come up here at first, but I already did this one, so it came up here because I've already done it. But at that point, so now at that point, you can take that video, save it to your device right here, save. You can click this to even copy your text, and now you can go repurpose that without the TikTok watermark. So wherever you want to purpose that at, you can. Now, if you don't want to copy your captions, you don't need to. Most of the time, you're not going to want to for the other platforms, excuse me, because some of the hashtags are going to be different. So Facebook Reels are going to be a little bit different. Instagram, they'll be a little bit different as far as numbers go and as far as views go. So you kind of want to watch out for that. But really, guys, I just wanted to get on here and raise some awareness. If you are not repurposing, and if you don't have backups to your accounts, make sure you do that. It's only going to help you in the long run. It's easy to do. You can go and create a bunch of TikTok accounts and have them in there as backups. Use your repurpose tool to repurpose those videos to the other account, and you can save them in drafts until you're ready, or you can just post a few out to start getting that algorithm. But always make sure you're repurposing everywhere you can. Okay. Now, if you get to a point you're repurposing and you're not seeing any results from one of the platforms, I would say that that's going to be a lost cause. If you don't see any results for a while, you may not, and don't waste your time with it. But I usually do get some type of results from every single platform that I post on. So that's why I post on everything that I do. I'm gaining a Twitter following finally, which I was surprised about. It just takes time for some of this to really catch on and start getting people's attention. Okay. I've been talking to guys today on the phone from some of my Instagram reels that I put up, my ads. So it's all out there. It's all working well. Just make sure that you're not depending on one source. Okay. All right, guys. Appreciate you being here. Please subscribe. I appreciate it. And go get those other accounts set up and make sure you're saving your content. See ya.